Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all of the stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Ygwigs. Shout out to you, Ygwigs, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their Pixie Bob burgundy. It don't say burgundy, but it's like a 99J colored wig. It is 150% density. Now let me go on the site and see what they have as far as details and specs on the actual site. So they have 13 by 6 T-part lace wig. It is a 99J bob, virgin human hair, and it is available in a small cap size and a medium cap size. It says it is 100% Brazilian human hair. The hair texture is same as PIC, which is basically like it has some curls. I don't want to say it's a body wave unit. It just already has a few curls in the wig. Just you get it like that. So I don't know what to call it. It's pre-curl. They have on here that it's 150% density. The lace color is brown and the hair color is 99J. Okay. So those are the details and specs go that I have on this particular unit. With this wig, it is a T-part wig, but it does, like it says, the lace goes from here to ear to ear, and this part goes 6 inches back. So that's why they said 13 by 6 T-part wig. It is still a T-part wig, and it does come as a, what side is this? A left side part. So I wanted to let you guys know that it is a left side part T-part wig. So I don't think you could shift this wig if you wanted to. Like, I could be tripping, but it just it fits better this way. You probably could, but it's not going to be comfortable, especially if you have ears like mine. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, like obviously it's this long. I didn't expect any tangling and I didn't get any, and I didn't expect any shedding and I didn't get any. As far as when it comes to my shorter units, if I get some shedding and tangling with a really short wig, especially a wig that's not like a kinky curly or anything like that, I'm like, girl, what in the world, what's good? I would have to ship her back, okay? But that was not the case with this wig. I did not experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever with this wig, so that is always a plus. As far as it being big head friendly, I would say if you are a medium cap size, get a medium. And if you're a large cap size, you can also get a medium, because this wig, I did have to adjust the strap some, so I do feel like it's medium to large head friendly. Now, they do have small cap sizes available. So if you are a small cap size, get a small cap size, girl. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. I feel like the hairline looks pretty good. Like, I'm not mad at the hairline. If you see that white right there, that is probably like from my spray. But I'm not mad at this hairline, especially with it being a T-part wig. Like, the hairline looks really, really good. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, and as well as the full 360, because I don't have to do no lint check, because honey, this is it, no Michael Jackson, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. Like, honestly, looking at the picture, I wasn't excited about this wig. Like, I do like shorter wigs. You guys know, if you watch me, I love a good short unit, but I wasn't really excited about this wig because I wasn't sure what she was gonna give. I kind of was thinking she was gonna give grandma, okay? But this wig actually does not, in my opinion, it does not give grandma. I am actually pleasantly surprised by this unit. I love the color. I love the cut. I love that it came with curls in it. I did curl it a little bit myself with my little miniature flat irons that I got in a BoxyCharm. I did use those on the unit, but I'm not mad at old girl at all. And I think I also was pleasantly surprised that it was a T-part, because all I saw was a 13 by 6. I didn't realize it was a T-part 13 by 6. And you guys know I'm always for the less, okay? Less I have to do, the better, okay? That's what I mean by the less, okay? The less I have to do, the better. So I was pleasantly surprised by that as well. And I really like this wig. I think it is a really cute, sort of grown and sexy sort of vibe, and I am not mad at old girl at all. I love a good bang. It gives me bang action, and there's a lot you can do with this bang. If you want to, you can pull it all the way across. You can do it like that. Like, it's a lot you can kind of do with the bang area, and I really like that. And like I said, I like the curls that already came in the unit, so it left me not having to do as much as I normally would have to do. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. Let me know down below. Let me know if you're feeling the unit as much as I am. I think it's a look. I think it's a vibe. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. So for your convenience, now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, honey, so before I even get started, honey, my kitchen is probably a mess, okay? My kitchen is a mess. Don't judge me. Worry about your own kitchen, okay? Don't look at my kitchen. Worry about your own kitchen, okay? If you're not from the South, the kitchen is my native area, okay? All right, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Oh, I see it. I see that kitchen, y'all. She just don't know how to act. Alright, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. Sound off, let me know if you're feeling it. If you're not feeling it, let me know. Once again, shout out to Ygwigs for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.